Hi, I'm Tim and at Bolin Technology, and we're here at InfoComm 2023, and I have the opportunity to tell you about two of our newest cameras. They are right here beside me. The EX Ultra is an IP67 outdoor rated PTZ camera. It's a gorgeous camera with a ton of output options. Its brother is the new flagship indoor camera we're calling the R9. Both of these cameras feature up to 12G SDI, not one but two, a slot for optical fiber, HDMI up to 2.0, and an IP stream, all of which are available simultaneously with independent frame rates and resolution. You heard that right. All of those outputs simultaneous with independent frame rates and resolution. I'm also going to talk to you about the image stabilization that's available in one of the imaging options for each of these cameras. It is incredible. It's called Super Image Stabilization Plus. You can see why. Take a look. It's amazing. To learn more about these cameras and all of our products, please visit bolintechnology.com or visit our friends at TecNec.